If one of your Epic Games titles is crashing, not launching, or just acting strange, the good news is that you usually do not need to reinstall the whole game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a game in Epic Games using the built-in Verify feature. This checks the game files, finds anything missing or corrupted, and replaces it without affecting your saved progress. It's one of the fastest fixes you can try, and it can save you a ton of time and frustration. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside the launcher, look over on the left side and click Library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, so you want to find the specific game that needs repair. Scroll through your library until you see the game you're having trouble with. When you find it, look for the three dots next to the game title. Click those three dots to open the options menu. From that drop-down menu, select Manage. This will bring up the management options for that game, including the repair tool you need. Now, click the Verify button. This is the key step because verifying tells Epic Games to scan the installation and compare it against the original game files. If anything is broken, missing, or corrupted, the launcher will automatically download the correct files and fix the installation for you. After you click Verify, just let the process run. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your internet or drive, this may take a few minutes or a little longer. While it's working, try not to close the launcher or interrupt the process because you want it to finish properly. Once the verification is complete, Epic Games will update you, and your game will be repaired and ready to launch again. This is a great first step anytime a game starts giving you errors, missing file messages, crashes, or weird performance issues. And the best part is that this process does not normally affect your saved data, so you can repair the game safely without losing progress. If the game still has issues after verifying, you may want to restart your PC and try launching it again, but in many cases, this simple repair fixes the problem right away. So to recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click the three dots next to your game, choose Manage, and then click Verify. That's all it takes to repair a game in Epic Games. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.